Next gland is hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is located in the basal part of diencephalon. Diencephalon is a part of forebrain. The three parts of forebrain are cerebrum, olfactory lobes, and the diencephalon. And the pituitary gland, it is located at the base of this part of forebrain, that is diencephalon. It regulates wide range of body functions. Hypothalamus consists of several group of neurosecretory cells, and these neurosecretory cells are called nuclei. And these nuclei, they produce hormones which regulate the synthesis and secretion of pituitary hormones. Means the neurosecretory cells of hypothalamus, which are called nuclei, they produce hormones, two types of hormones, and these hormones from hypothalamus, they regulate the synthesis and secretion of pituitary hormones. The hormones released by the nuclei of hypothalamus, they are of two types: releasing hormones and the inhibitory hormones. Releasing hormone stimulates the secretion of pituitary hormone, and inhibitory hormone, it inhibits the secretion of pituitary hormones. For example, hormone released by the hypothalamus, hypothalamic gonadotrophin releasing hormone, it stimulates the pituitary to release gonadotrophic hormones. जैसे कि पिट्यूटरी का हार्मोन है हमारे पास थायराइड स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन विच इज रिलीज्ड बाय पिट्यूटरी. तो पिट्यूटरी कब रिलीज कर सकती है इस थायराइड स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन को? पहले हाइपोथैलेमस रिलीज करेगा क्या? थायराइड स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन रिलीजर हार्मोन. When it is released by hypothalamus, then it will stimulate the secretion of thyroid stimulating hormone from pituitary, and then this pituitary, it will allow the release of thyroid stimulating hormone thyroxine. अगर हाइपोथैलेमस सिक्रीट करे इनहिबिटरी हार्मोन, यानी कौन सा? थायराइड स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन इनहिबिटरी हार्मोन, देन इट विल इनहिबिट द सिक्रीशन ऑफ थायराइड स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन फ्रॉम पिट्यूटरी. यानी एंटीरियर लोब ऑफ पिट्यूटरी कब सिक्रीट करेगा ये कोई पर्टिकुलर हार्मोन या नहीं करेगा, दैट डिपेंड्स अपॉन the secretion from hypothalamus. Another example, for example, another hormone released is ACTH. Pituitary secretes a hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone. पिट्यूटरी इस हार्मोन को कब रिलीज कर पाएगी? अगर हाइपोथैलेमस सिक्रीट करता है कौन सा हार्मोन? एड्रीनोकॉर्टिकोट्रॉफिक हार्मोन रिलीजर हार्मोन. Only then pituitary will release ACTH. If the hypothalamus secretes adrenocorticotropic hormone, inhibitory hormone, तो इसका secretion जो है stop हो जाएगा. Pituitary will not be able to secrete the ACTH from itself. So releasing hormones and the inhibitory hormones from hypothalamus, they control the secretions of hormones from pituitary gland, whether they will be released or not. The hormones which originate in hypothalamic neurons, they pass through the axons. यानी hypothalamus में जो neurons हैं, hormones जो वहाँ originate होते हैं, then they pass through their axons. Axon से कहाँ जाते हैं? They are released from the nerve endings of axons and they reach the pituitary through portal circulatory system, and ultimately they regulate the function of anterior pituitary. Means neurons of hypothalamus, they secrete hormones which pass through their axon. We remember the structure of neuron. Neuron is a cell which has two types of processes. Small processes are called dendrites. The single large long process is called axon. So in the neurons of hypothalamus, the hormones they originate, they pass through the axon, and there are the nerve endings or the terminal arborization at the end. The hormones they are released from these nerve endings, and then from these nerve endings they go to circulatory system, portal circulatory system, and then they reach the pituitary gland and then regulate the functioning of anterior lobe of pituitary, whereas the posterior lobe of pituitary is under direct neural regulation of hypothalamus. So this is all about hypothalamus and its hormones.